A lot of travelers ask, is Hanoi safe? Especially if you're walking alone. Today, let's explore the city together and see what it feels like. Violent crime rates and big robberies are low. Random acts of violence are rare, and physical attacks based on race or religion are extremely uncommon. Cafes are everywhere, and solo travelers love them. You can sit alone with your laptop, camera, or phone without feeling unsafe. It's very normal here to sit alone, no one bothers you. As I walk along the Eco Street, I face the biggest challenge of my life. Crossing the road is safe once you follow the slow, steady method. How safe is Nhat for solo travelers? Very safe, especially compared to many cities worldwide. The biggest challenge is traffic and the lack of footpaths or sidewalks. But crime levels are low, people are kind, and the city feels welcoming day and night.